Hello, everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you're not subscribed yet, please can you subscribe kindly? Just to encourage me to continue making these videos. So I'm just showing you this simple whipped butter today. It's just a combination of oils and butters that are pretty easy to whip up. So Tamanu butter is one of our softest butters. So if you're just wearing a crunch and you just wanted to make something real quick, you would just need Tamanu butter and a bunch of oils. So I had just added some castor oil and some avocado oil, as well as some of our sea buckthorn oil to just make this simple butter. And it just whips up nicely as you can see in the video because the butters are really soft.